Hi everybody, this is Sonya, and this is my Stitchy Carousel package update. I did send off Stitchy Carousel package number 2. I sent it off Wednesday, I believe, Wednesday, I think Tuesday. And I sent it off to Kitten Stitcher. She received it. She has did a video. So please, if you are following along, please go to watch Kitten Stitcher's video. And she has sent it on now, so it will go to Pam and Steph of Just Keep Stitching. And they should have it probably Monday or Tuesday. So be watching for theirs as well. Then it will go on to Carolina S. And then it will come to me. And then the swap will be complete. And at that point, the update will be my unboxing of the carousel package. So this is the last update until I get the package back. So we're down to 2 more people now to receive it, and then myself. So I just wanted to do a quick update, let you know the package is back out and it is traveling again, and to go check out Kitten Stitcher because she has did a video and has did an unboxing. So anyway, I hope everybody is having a great Sunday, and I will be talking to you soon.